Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look. I wanted to do something super colorful and I don't know why I keep gravitating towards blue. Last video I did a blue lower lash line, now I went full on blue and I'm obsessed. I love it so much. So just a little update, I have a new filming setup and for the first time ever since I started YouTube, I have all of my makeup and collection and filming all in one space. It's amazing because now I don't have to run up and down if I forget something while I'm in the middle of filming. I love having everything just in one space. I have a window I finally can see outside and now I'm not just staring out into a wall, so I feel like I can just breathe a little bit. I'm so excited and I feel like I'm more excited now to start filming and getting content out. It is taking some adjusting with the setup, you know, the background needs to be changed, it's wrinkly, we don't know what's going on back there, and lighting might have to be played around with a little bit, but let me know how the video looks and how the quality and coloring and everything looks. Let me know down in the comments. I want to know your opinions and see what you guys think, because obviously I'm doing this for you. So let me stop rambling and let's get in on this tutorial, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm first going to apply some translucent powder under my eye to catch any fallout. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Do Not Disturb eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm going into is Silent Mode. With my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start applying this through my crease as my transition shade. And then I'm also going to wing out all of my shadows. I'm now going into Personal Space. Now going in with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start applying this a little bit lower down on my crease. And we're going to create a smoky eye with this shadow, so it's fine if it gets onto your lid. I'm using really short strokes and really light pressure because I don't want it to get patchy. I want to be able to nicely blend this out and diffuse this into the crease shadows. Don't worry about it looking super crazy right now. It's going to look amazing at the end. I'm going to pat this shadow all over my lid. And now I'm going to apply Silent Mode with my E38 diffuse crease brush once again at the very highest point of my crease and then blend that out. And just take your time to blend. Don't worry, it'll look beautiful and seamless. Just go back and forth and buff away. I'm picking up On Hold. So I'm picking up the shadow on my finger and I'm going to start applying this all over the lid. Look how pretty. Just like that. It is just so pretty on its own. But we're going to spice it up a little bit. I'm also kind of swiping it down at the very bottom of my crease and then just lightly blend that out. You can see just how nicely it's diffused because I applied a little bit of that shimmer into the bottom of the crease. Now going into Me Time and then going into this beautiful shade, I'm going to apply this just in the center to add a really nice highlight. This is such a quick and easy way to do a halo look, but I feel like just applying this in the center is going to catch light super nicely and give that eyeshadow look a lot of dimension. I love this little trick. Now let's just buff away all of that translucent powder and look at how nice and clean it is under the eye. Amazing. And then just buff that out. And then I sometimes just like take my finger and kind of just perfect the edge a little bit more. Now with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to apply Silent Mode, first patting, and then just sweeping back and forth to smoke that out. Now really close to my lash line, I'm going to apply Personal Space with my E15 flat definer brush, and then start smoking that out. I'm picking up Getting Lost. I'm going to highlight my inner corner with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and then buff that out and just feather that up towards the crease. I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Abyss. I'm going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Lily Lashes in Doha, and that's the eye look done. I'm obsessed with the eyes. I love it so much. I feel like if you threw on some rhinestones and maybe a little bit more glitter, you would definitely get a nice kind of euphoria look. I'm obsessed. I really want to do a euphoria look. Let me know if I should do one. Should I do one that's colorful or one that's more kind of toned down and neutral, or both? Let me know in the comments. So now for lipstick, I'm going to go into the Elodie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in Work It. I feel like this is going to be a really pretty nude, so let's apply it. And that is it. This is the completed look of my bright blue smoky eye. I hope that you guys enjoyed. As I mentioned earlier, I'm obsessed with this look, and if you do want to spice it up a little bit and add some rhinestones or extra glitter, you could definitely bring up this look to be very euphoria, and I love it so much. So let me know what other looks you guys want to see, color combinations, all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments, and all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams. I now have 2 Instagrams. That's 4. I have 2 Instagrams, one for my press-on nails and one for my makeup. Don't forget to follow me on both, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!